Okay, good evening, almost good night. This is 25th of July 2022, 9:55 p.m. Change of plans and change of situation has happened because for some reason the past 3 days the Ethernet on the system was not working, and today, as a matter of fact, even the Wi-Fi was not working. It was throwing up in between, and that really was bothering me and affecting my work in the day. So I called Vishal. He's the guy who set up this system and even helped in my previous systems. He came at 7:30ish. He just went like 10 minutes ago. Almost couple of hours. We were trying to figure out what is the problem. So what we did is we took the old hard drive that I had, which has Windows already in it, the hard drive that was inside my HP laptop, my very first laptop HP. So we took that hard drive and run that Windows through the system and took the SSDs out of this system, and the Ethernet worked fine. So we came to the conclusion that the problem is not of the Ethernet or the motherboard, but the problem was with the OS, the Windows. So we came to the conclusion that it's probably because of auto hotkey or one of these recent applications that I've downloaded. I don't know how, but somehow these have messed up with the network adapter, and so the Ethernet is not getting recognized or whatever. I had a feeling that auto hotkey could potentially do that because it is taking in keystrokes, so there is an input-output thing associated with that software. The moment we plugged the SSD back in and started the system, the Ethernet was already working. So that is good news. All in all, we've fixed the Ethernet problem. So as for the day is concerned, today I have improving in the khud. Editing shouldn't be cam 131313. It's a bit disturbing to watch. Cam 3 should be used only when wanting to have certain emphasis or dramatic effect. Rest of the times you can have jump cuts in cam 1 or 1212. In cubic worlds, today I saw 3.18, 3.19. It was about converting instances into real objects, and quite a few technical but I feel important concepts were covered here. You have all those modifiers up on your instances. So if you just right click on instance and make real, like weird things will happen. So you have to do a lot of housekeeping on the original collection first and then convert the instances into real objects. Unfortunately, I couldn't get to doing any of this because I had to sleep by 9 a.m. and then I woke up at 5:30 today, normal time. I had to sleep by 9 a.m. because at 11 a.m. I had scheduled a meeting with my team in the full-time job. For a lot of things are up this week and it's kind of intense. And after that, I had like 2 back-to-back calls if I get to my work day. After those 2 back-to-back calls, 1:55 after series of calls, finally getting to addressing the Chairi feedback for 1 video, and I did for 2 videos and sent it. Then this is something I was supposed to do: dad's work, show 2 query submission, and show 3 13 episode go through and submission. I will get to doing this tomorrow. It just got pushed forward because at 6 p.m. I was supposed to get to it, but 6 p.m. there was another call for I don't know if I can take that name. I will just blur it out or some sound effect behind. But the point being, there was like almost an hour-long call, and basically they're not happy with the direction in which the slates and the design is going. So it's a complete rework of sorts. I have no idea how that is going forward. So other than that, there is pretty much nothing that I have to cover. I did not read anything today. I will still point out one thing which I really liked today, and that is this song Chal Turya. I watched the video also like 2 to 3 times, and I really loved that video. Do you call it rendition or remake of the movie Forrest Gump? I've watched Forrest Gump I think a couple of times probably, and this song, I really like this song, especially wait is OBS okay wait because we hearing it now. Okay, we can probably play it as well. I can't hear it though. So anyway, this song, really loved the visuals, really loved how it's the song itself is giving kind of goosebumps, and he just runs through the entire country, through the entire Indian landscape. So I was listening to this on loop today. But yeah, now after this particular video, I was initially a bit skeptical about this being a remake of Forrest Gump and why is Amir Khan doing it. But after watching this particular music video, I am now kind of excited to watch the movie video. हर चीज़ video नहीं होती. ऐसे तो in the could be movie. Every day I'm putting out a movie. Which reminds me, I have to get to editing this video now and uploading at 6:33. There wasn't much to document, but that's how life is. I will see you tomorrow in the khud, probably with a little more substantial things to document. Peace.